How to buy TikTok coins with credit card. Let me head over to one of the article which is gonna guide you and help you. So in this article, they have provided the step-by-step process on how to buy TikTok coins with credit card. So in the very first step, it says to buy TikTok coins online, go to the TikTok online store after logging into your account. Once you have been logged into a specific account, it will land you on its homepage. You have to click on your account and then select Get Coins. After that, you have to select the coin plan you want to purchase and click the Recharge button. Once you have selected the coin plan, now the next thing you want to do is choose a payment method. Over here you can see it says Select a payment method. Different payment method will be visible to you. One is credit or debit card, another is PayPal, and the next one is Venmo. As we're looking forward on buying the coins with the help of credit card, you have to tap on credit or debit card. Once you have clicked on credit or debit card, one interface will appear on a screen. You will have to enter all of your card detail information, as in your card number, expiration date, security code, CVV number, and many more. Once you have entered all the detailed information, tap on save and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can buy TikTok coins with credit card. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.